In the vast realm of mathematics, there are constants that hold a special place, captivating the minds of mathematicians for centuries. Today, we embark on a journey of exploration into one such constant, the transcendental number e. This unassuming letter represents a mathematical treasure trove that has profound implications across various fields. So, join me as we delve into the depths of Euler's number and uncover the mysteries it holds. The story of E starts with the imaginative mind of the Swiss mathematician, Leonhard Euler, who lived in the 18th century. While studying compound interest, Euler noticed a fascinating pattern emerging when the compounding interval became infinitesimally small. This pattern led him to a remarkable discovery, a unique number that would become known as Euler's number or the base of the natural logarithm. Defined as the limit of 1 plus 1 by n whole raised to the power of n as n approaches infinity, the numerical value of e is approximately 2.71828. This seemingly innocuous decimal carries immense significance in various mathematical contexts, making it a cornerstone of calculus, complex analysis, and beyond. What truly sets E apart is its magical relationship with calculus. Imagine continuously compounding interest. As the time intervals shrink infinitely small, E emerges naturally. Differentiating e raised to x results in, surprisingly, e raised to x itself. This unique property simplifies countless mathematical problems, from growth and decay models to probability distributions. Euler's formula, e power I times x equals cosine of x plus I times sine of x, where I is the imaginary unit, is a masterpiece of mathematical elegance. Connecting exponential growth with circular motion, this formula bridges the gap between real and imaginary realms. It's as if E dances with trigonometry to create a harmonious mathematical symphony. Probability theory benefits greatly from E. In a field where chance reigns, E makes its mark through the Poisson distribution and the exponential distribution. Whether predicting rare events or modeling time between events, E underpins the foundation of these essential concepts. As we traverse the landscape of calculus, E becomes our steadfast guide. From limits and derivatives to integrals and power series, E unveils its power in manipulating infinitesimal quantities. It's no wonder that E plays a vital role in the field that underpins much of modern science and engineering. In complex analysis, E truly shines. Its properties elegantly intertwine with the imaginary unit I, leading to the formulation of transcendental functions like the exponential function, sine, and cosine. Complex numbers find their essence through E, revealing new insights into the behavior of functions. Imagine a population that grows continuously, its rate proportional to its current size. The solution to this seemingly abstract scenario? E. This concept touches fields as diverse as biology, economics, and physics, reminding us of the universality of this humble yet extraordinary number. E weaves a tapestry that unifies seemingly disparate mathematical concepts. From the realms of geometry to the abstract landscapes of probability and calculus, E is a symbol of unity and elegance. It demonstrates that, despite the complexity of mathematics, there is an underlying harmony waiting to be discovered. As we draw this exploration to a close, remember that the journey through E is a testament to the brilliance of mathematical thought. Euler's number is not merely a decimal, but a doorway to a universe of mathematical beauty. From its origins in compound interest to its influence across diverse fields, E beckons us to unravel its secrets and appreciate the profound ways it enriches our understanding of the world around us. In the tapestry of mathematics, E stands as a thread that weaves its way through countless concepts, illuminating the path of discovery and understanding. So, as you continue your mathematical journey, may the constant E inspire you to seek connections, explore complexities, and embrace the elegance that lies within the numbers that shape our world. Until we meet again, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep celebrating the wonders of mathematics.